Hello everyone, welcome to WebClass.in. In this video, you're going to learn about all the functionality provided by us for the students. To access any of the features, you have to log in first. If inputted correctly, you're shown the student's dashboard. It has three major components. Enter class code, which allows you to enter a class if you have entered the class code correctly and paid its fee. Current courses, which shows all the courses you have bought, and future courses are the courses that you have bought but they haven't started yet. Now, when you enter a course in current courses, you will see the current, past, and coming assignment. These are assignments that you have to finish before end date and they will be graded. Once you enter any assignment, you will have three options: access assignment lesson, access assignment question, and access assignment result. Access assignment lesson contains any study material that is necessary for the assignment and will be provided by your instructor. Access assignment question contains all the questions that you need to solve. It can be MCQ or written based answer. At the bottom of the screen, you are shown a list of numbers, which corresponds to the question number, and the one with the blue background are those that have been attempted, and the ones with the white background are those that have been left unsolved. When clicked, it will take you to the question number. When finished, you can submit your answers, but it will ask if any questions is left unsolved. A pop-up box will open once submitted that will lead to the result, which shows the results and correct answer to those that you have attempted but were wrong. But it will not show answers to those that you have left. Now, Access Assignment Result will show you the results of the assignment you have given. These are all the functionality that are provided for the students. For more details, please contact us through our email services@webclass.in. Our contact details can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is webclass.in, where diligence meets brilliance.